sure do look comfy.
Well, I am for the next few minutes before I go work.
I'm headed out to feed kitties. They're all waiting for me.
Oh yeah, there's a herd of them out there.
Hi, cute stuffs. Good morning. The twins, not actually. The mom is on the left. My boys are up here waiting patiently this morning in the chair, all snuggled up together. The chair being over there on the left. Good morning, boys. Good morning. Back to your side of the yard. I don't suppose you'd like to climb a tree for me on camera this morning. Every time you do it, I'm not watching. Here goes, no. Probably not. Hey, silly boy. So, I've dehydrated the 6 eggs for 12 hours total, 2 6-hour sessions. It's these right here. These were not dehydrated. There's not a lot of difference between the two in weight. I am gonna use my tool from my Dash egg cooker, and I'm gonna puncture the tops of these two and the bottom, a little hole, and do one more 6-hour session and see if that makes addition, because this is all about innovation and experimentation here. So I've not give up yet, but I've also, it's not doing what I had hoped at this point. Hello. Hi. I was able to make the hole, but it's pretty tiny, and I don't really know that that's going to let any air get in there, but we'll see. I'm out here for my walk later than usual, and it's just me and Gray. Hi, sweet girl. Hi. Hi, honey. Good girl. Good girl. I accidentally got my Crocs in the mud, so I'm gonna have to go in the house and wash them. Come on, honey, let's go. Mom's gotta wash her hands. I pulled a couple things in a poison ivy area, so I should probably go straight inside and don up. Ever the helper. I am here getting ready for robotics. I've got a little over an hour to go, and I'm not quite done yet. On the one hand, I absolutely love working with the kids. On the other hand, you know, it's a little bit stressful for me because I want to have my act together. I had a scholarship to go to school to become I was going to become a high school math teacher. That was my first thought about my career. And then I got a co-op job at IBM, and I decided I liked programming, and I never really looked back at that. But at any point, I don't know how I have such an appreciation for teachers after having volunteered to try to teach the robotics stuff, and how hard their job is. And like, you know, it takes me 3 or 4 hours to prepare for the lesson each week. Minimum, it takes me 3 or 4 hours. And, you know, teachers, they're doing an hour's worth of class 3, 4, 5 times a day, and they have to be prepared. And it does help. I know when, like, I've got stuff from prior years, I get to reuse it sometimes, but still I have to remember what it was I did before. And anyway, the whole volunteering to do robotics thing really does give me an appreciation for teachers, because it's harder than they make it look sometimes. But I think the boys understood today. And the couple of boys that have the robots, I've asked them to try line following with the new PID control technique. See how that goes for them. And I'm done. I'm always relieved. I wouldn't say in a good mood that robotics is over. That's not exactly how I mean it. But I'm always relieved when it's over for the week, because it's a little intense getting ready and presenting and things going off without a hitch. So yeah, I'm feeling relieved. And I'll get my daily pogo, get some fresh air, check out what else is going on with the world. Thursdays, you know, leading up to robotics, I'm the most in the house at my computer, off the grid, so to speak, getting ready than I am any other time during the week. So I welcome stepping outside for a few minutes. Johnny took the Stripe and Morris afternoon feeding, and I have the Tux afternoon attention giving session. Hey buddy. Hi. Hello. Johnny says he was able to touch Morris. That's awesome. Not so much pet, but touch at least. The Ajuga sure is looking nice. That's that little blue purple spiked flower over there. I see a bumblebee on it too. Pretty cool. And I think you can appreciate how bloomed out that dogwood tree is now. Kind of pointing up at the light, but I think you can still see the flowers. All right, so give everybody the Morris update.
So Morris let me pet him around 6 times. First couple times he kind of flinched back a little bit, not very far, and then I got butt rub off.
Wow.
He was just he didn't even, he was already walking in a direction, so he just kept going in that direction. He didn't go any faster or any
He didn't
slower.
look startled.
No. I also touched his head. He just backed up a little bit. He smelled my finger multiple times. I'm really making some serious progress.
That's awesome. Fantastic. Thanks for working with him. Heading out to go catch Pokemon. It's later than I intended. We're in the mid-70s here today. About 10 degrees cooler than yesterday, and that's welcome at this point for sure. Don't need those summer temps when it's not even summer yet. I don't think we're actually gonna get any rain. It just looks like rain. And if it's not gonna pour enough to wash it off, I'd rather it not make paste. So, would like to have a good downpour, but not just sprinkles. That's not good. Not good. Yellow paste is not really any better than yellow dust. I'm just gonna drive through South Park and then get myself back home and be time to make dinner. Wow, there's a lot of people here at South Park. I'm guessing, yep, they're playing over here on the ball field. You can't see the kids for all the cars, but you'll just have to take my word for it. The high school kids are down there playing baseball, and I'm guessing by the number of people here that it's a game and not just a practice. Look like 2 teams for sure. I thought I'd drive through Fleming Loop Park today too, and it looks like they're getting really close to opening the Judd Parkway extension. That, and check out the wisteria over there. What in the world? Well, this is a loop, so technically I can go the other direction, but my goodness, I guess a soccer game just ended or something. There's a police officer up here with his lights on too, so I'm not... this may be the last time I come over here this time of day. Looks like a ticket more than anything over there. Well, I kid you not, there's 200 cars in this park. I mean, it's just ridiculous. It's unexpected. This park is on the fringe southwest corner of town, and wow, I guess they're serious about using these soccer fields. Because that's all it is over here, is open field. There's no baseball diamonds. I mean, of course, they could do lacrosse or something else besides soccer, but probably not baseball. Hello.
just back from the landfill.
Oh boy!
You missed out.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Mr. Ball was closed, so I didn't.
No eggs today, huh?
Yeah, but I did go by there.
Okay.
But he was closed, so bummer.
Was it after 6?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably why.
Oh well, yeah, I knew that.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
But I figured I'm all the way over there.
Over there, might as well just to see, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
I blew the driveway. I don't know what I was thinking because, wow, that was a dust cloud. I'm trying to show you the pretty sunset, but I can tell on this camera that it wants to brighten things up. And it's not showing it to you as pretty as it is, but it is a nice end of day out there.